So my name is Mavis Hybe, and call me Miss Darky. I'm living at Mount Russell. I'm 89 years of age. Is I need a little help to finish up the kitchen and whatever. I don't have any light and so on. Please, I'm asking for help.
Hello, my name is Kaya and I'm seeking some help for my grand aunt Mavis Ivy, age 89 years old, live in Mount Russell, St. Catherine, Yorton. Um, she is 89 years old. I've been helping her the last few years. I've tried to finish up a kitchen for her because the kitchen that she had before was really bad, was no condition for somebody to use. It wasn't usable. So I got her a new kitchen. It's not finished yet. Need flooring and window and painting and so on. But I've bring it to a point that it just need a few little things. And she would like some help with some windows and her light because she hasn't have any light there. And then someone was helping her out with light, but now that person said he can't do it anymore because of the government, because they have been watching the light post because he has been taking light from the government. So we're asking for some help. Will be great. Thank you very, very much.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, that video that you saw in the very beginning was sent to me by a viewer who is seeking some assistance for her elderly grand aunt. Right? Now she and I had a conversation and she explained that, well, Unstoppable, I've been taking care of my grand aunt for a number of years now, but things has gotten extremely harder on me, especially since COVID. Now in the video you would have seen where I showed the house, and the house is missing several windows. And she also explained that she added on a little kitchen to the house for the lady because the one that was there was in deplorable condition. But she said that the kitchen is also unfinished, as you could see in the video, and she's asking some assistance to complete that kitchen. Now, not only that, the lady has been going without electricity forever. And she's asking for some assistance in getting the electricity turned on, which she said it costs 45,000 Jamaican dollars, right? So if anybody out there willing to assist, if you are able to, you can reach out at the number on the screen so that you can help out this elderly lady. Now, my concern is the fact that the house has no windows. Now, we've seen in the news where man go in upon elderly women and do things. We know what that happened to the lady. You understand? So please, if you can help, please reach out at the number on the screen in whichever way you can. All right? Thanks a lot. Now, I have always been telling you, so you need to go follow Jamaican Carlos over there on Facebook, you know. Because, what you know, Carlos are one of the brother them, one of the few who speak out when him see things are going when are right. And one of the things that Carlos are talking about right now is the whole JPS raising thing. Right? Now JPS heard the cries of the people on social media, you know. And then put out this thing I talk about, say the price increase is necessary because of blah 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 is what them come and say. Now Carlos is addressing JPS and the price increase. But what Carlos has said is him understand that, you know, it's a business and things have to raise. But why right now at this time the Jamaican government not absorb that cost? Make we go listen to what Carlos has said.
People, electricity, the price of electricity increase of Jamaica. You know what would be nice? What would be nice if we have some politicians. People, when we are talking about politicians now in Jamaica, we're not talking about us labor right alone, no people. We are talking about the two party them. So don't bother ever believe the PNP are exempt from all them chastising where see the labor right I get. I go like them different and I hide behind bro God. Say bro God, take the lick for me, take the lick for me. No PNP, me sooner hide. Uno if it step up front, come take on a lick too. Enough of the things that go on in my country and A lot of little hole in my country and it's nothing in my country I go through right now. Who know? Involved in it too. No different. See, electricity raise up people. From the people them. Let me tell you something, man. You have to get to understand how Jamaica work. And you know, Carlos like we take on down memory lane, you know. Because me is a man that study these things and I post these things. So all these stories in my head, can we talk about them? Now let's go back before the COVID. Right before this virus bust out, family, there were people working in the hotel industry in Jamaica. These stories are not told, family, unless we bloggers bring them up. The news don't follow them up. Nobody do these things, family. Thank God to all good bloggers out here who are make nice on social media. Thank God for everybody who take up their phone and spit out a video. Thank God for everybody who says something in the comment section on behalf of your country and you don't be corrupt and one-sided and you see country and not politics. Remember that, people. Allegiance should be to the country, not politician, not to politics. Anybody or anything that hurt the country, we need to come out and strongly against it. Right before the COVID, people, before the COVID, all these years, it looked like the hotel industry have been collecting money from the workers, the poor Jamaican workers who work off them fingernail hard and come grind them teeth, even when them kids don't have, even when them have a toothache. You understand? Because they don't get no medical, so they don't have no goddamn dentist. Figure to. You understand me? So, grind out them teeth to tourists so tourists can feel good in the country. Fly out and come back again. It's not the minister not make tourists come to Jamaica. It's not these business places. It's just a regular Jamaican. They meet every day on the street, the people they greet, the workers in these hotels, make them feel welcome. So the hotels want the tourists want to come back again. But just before the COVID, family, at JPS, me I talk about, you know. But don't worry yourself, man. Just listen to me I say. So just before the COVID, you understand me? The people, the hoteliers were taking money out of these people's salary for rainy day, all type of taxes and stuff, money for even pay unemployment. It was when COVID, but they wasn't paying it to the government. Who remember the story of people? Where them story are gone? Where them story are gone? And never hear Parliament call them up on behalf of the Jamaican people, I don't just let anybody who come in Jamaica just roll over we and nobody defend we. PNP and Labour right. Make we talk the two Jamaicans. Because we both get hurt. You have PNP work hard in the hotel industry. You have Labour right to work hard in the hotel industry. You have people that vote work hard in the hotel industry. What they do? Take money out of these people. Look, mealy check. Imagine hotel workers that get the bottom of the barrel in money, you know. They don't get much money, you know, people. They don't get much money already, you know. But the company, these hoteliers been taking out, we don't know how much years they might do it for. We don't know how many decades they do it for. They were doing it for. I don't know how many years or decades they were doing this to Jamaican workers. It was when COVID came in. The poor workers in Jamaica, after they find themselves jobless because of the virus, them job for them unemployment, boss. I thought you were taking money out of my check, boss. No, there was no money put up in the government kitty because you have to pay the money over to the government in the family. You can't just keep it in the back room and say, may I take the money and put it in the back room. So they were stealing these people money all this time. In my opinion, that's thievery. That's some fraud. That's how I look at it, family. Me are no lawyer, but we, family, come on, Jamaica. We are no idiots. Come on, we see less than this and people get in trouble feet. But my problem is people. These hoteliers come to Jamaica making all their money, using the hell out of Jamaican people, slave them, right? Take the money going back overseas. The government never look here. Remember, they may do it under PNP government too. No regulation. Anybody can come in our country, come use we and abuse we. Remember, I'm going somewhere, people. Carlos like to take you on a journey. I'm a different type of speaker. You know that, right? I mean, I come with evidence. I come with receipt. So, who remember that story? All right? So, look, what you see here is that there is a government, two government family, PNP and Labour, but people, don't bother point pan Brogan and a point pan the other side, family. Don't do it, family. Me try to get to them mindset here. Say don't point pan one and a point pan the other because they were abusing these workers and robbing their money and the PNP too. And nobody would have found out if it was for the virus. It was when the virus burst out and these people find themselves jobless. They tried to pull for their money. No money was in the kitty. People, let me ask you a clear question. Have you seen any of them hoteliers here get called up into parliament on behalf of the poor Jamaican hotel workers, the poor Jamaican citizens who vote for these politicians? Have you seen these hoteliers get called up and call up and say, where the people their money there? People, I don't know if no deal was made behind closed doors. I don't know what happened, people, but it disappeared from the news. Do you understand what I'm saying, people? So the right there, PNP get tricked, Labour right get tricked, because we all work in the hotel industry. They were taking these people money. And when we would find out, someone know how many years or decades they've been carrying on this trickery. How many years and decades they've been robbing these poor Jamaican workers. How many years and decades. But my biggest problem is we have politicians out there who are supposed to protect us. Their job is to make sure, say, nobody not come abuse us in our country. And over and over and over and over again, we see companies can come out and do whatever to the poor Jamaican people, and nobody not get called up in a parliament and call up. Them not call up nobody in a parliament on behalf of Jamaican people. Nobody not do it, PNP not do it, Labour not do it. If you see it, let me know. If you see it, let me know. Them call up any big company, just like when you see Congress call up on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Them call them up in the Congress and question out the hell out of them. Put them on the spot, as big as Facebook and all them be. How much time you see them get called up in the Congress up here, sir? Call up in the Congress on behalf of the people. How come you say no company in Jamaica get called up in a parliament on behalf of the people? They could have robbed out we eye. Nobody get called up. All right, people, moving along. They are showing a pattern. Now, me is a man will tap up my parents' phone, you know. We make sure my parents' phone always at work. We make sure every time I call them, I can hear my parents. Now, the phone company in Jamaica have been abusing the people, in my opinion. This is how I see it. Based on how the money I pay for service to my people and how my mother phone operates. Because I will put money on my mama phone and by tomorrow, nothing depend on it. Because she tell me, say, them not turn off this and she not turn off that. And she's not the only one me here say that in Jamaica. Now, how come I pay for the service and them I take it off? I'm going to pay for something we don't use. How come I take off something we don't use? A long time them I rob you know. A long time I rob it. Now people, me even go further than that. Me even pay for the whole month. Whole month service, unlimited months. Unlimited for 1 month at Jamaica, right? When we pay for 1 month, people, mama phone no stay on for 1 month. Phone no stay on for 1 month, people. What kind of 1 month service? Like my phone right there, so only depend right there, so people. Every month I get the text message like 2 weeks before my goddamn phone bill due to remind me to pay my bill. Every month, tick-tock, and time, I get the service, right? No problem. Me not have to turn off nothing on this phone. I think when I pay for service, what the hell are you turning off on your phone? You pay for your internet, you pay for your service. You're not supposed to go up on your phone and turn off nothing. Phone for left running like how a phone left running over here, so that's why the Jamaican people are not getting information. There's a lot of news in Jamaica passing by. Jamaican people can't open certain type of links. They can't watch certain videos because people have to watch them look a goddamn service or them look a money they put on them tap up. Yes, man, say. Yes, man, say, family. We don't have to watch that. So, how come we put minutes on my money on my mama phone and it gone? People, Jamaican people. And me alone have the problem here. Let me ask you know. Allow me to tell upon them phone company in Jamaica. Allow me to tell. My question is, who don't know say true me attack? Now, how come me not say Parliament call them a phone company to iron out certain things? How come me not say Parliament call them up and color them up in the name of Jamaican people for us? How come? Anybody can come in our country, ride with, thief with, do all type of things to it. Nobody defend us. Nobody protect us. Nobody get called up in a Parliament for any wrong them do and get called up. How come? You know, I know this phone thing. This phone company have another thing when them say them a lend people minutes. Them a credit people minutes. Give minutes and credit. All the type of chickeny business when coming to the island with low regulation. And they come with all type of cookie deal for rob Jamaican people. But lend minutes and all that type of thing. Your phone you must turn off this and turn off that. That's why you lose your minutes. Or you gonna lose something that you pay for, people? How you gonna lose something that you pay for that they are robbing money? That minutes that you lost on your phone is money. It's money it costs to put it on there. Some money take to replace it. They are stealing money from us, people. Money, not your minutes. They are not thieving the minutes, they are thieving the money. Family, me know your government call up these people and iron up. Me know your nobody like they're smart enough to find out what the hell is going on in Jamaica. We need to iron these things out. On behalf of Jamaican people. Me no reach a JPS yet, man. Hold on, me think reach a JPS yet. Hold on, man, me no reach it yet. All these things me I tell about family. Anima go on, any company can come to Jamaica, can't do that. No. Again, one more thing. Them lately, you got Jamaica now, you see about a loan company. Oh, you can't get any loan in Jamaica now. So you could have some loan shark fly down from where? They are Jamaica now, ready for lending your money. But guess what? High interest rate. Now if you know, are these loan sharks regulated? They look at office where pop up in a back room and all about. Are these office regulated? And you know Jamaica people vulnerable, we always need money for borrow, because things rough. And we always are trying to get better. Are these office regulated? Because anybody can come from any goddamn way and just take advantage of the poor people and nothing happen. Nobody get called in a parliament, nothing get shut down. You just go along with it. You like somebody palm get grease. People, this is 2021 Jamaica. We must seek better. We must step away from the Nyama food mentality. You know, I saw the thing set, man. Nothing set like that, Jamaica. We must seek change. We must raise our voice up better. This is Jamaica and it's our place, family. Who don't elect the official them up in it? Eh? All these loan shark pop up with high-ass interest rate. Some of these poor Jamaican people can't hardly pay back them loans. Me I get fairness and say some of the people are struggling to pay back their loans. The interest, when I say people must take loan, can borrow something about the interest rate. When do I pay back? Look here. Now we're going to JPS now. JPS family. JPS. No, I'm not reach a JPS yet. I can go back at interest rate. Come and see the government, them say they have about $3 billion. What do I allocate after we come on social media and make nice? Say, give the people them something. Them say they have money in the market, give them loan and grants. I guess to business and stuff like that. But make a follow the finance minister. Because the first we see the finance minister come out, they come talk. And we don't see where the money turn. We don't see where the money go. And at the first, Mr. Finance Minister come out there and say, yo, we're doling out this and we're doling out that. And at the first, and we don't see the impact. So make us watch the money and wait and go. He said people are get grant and loan. So basically, business owners, remember them things that will come on social media, come beat them for, you know. So he said business owners and blah, 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 blah. Let's see it. Copy a talk in them talk. Anyway, let's move to JPS. JPS. In a time like this, people, you believe what happened on JPS there? Well, I believe what with JPS. JPS is one of the most hated company in Jamaica. You know what I know? So JPS is the most hated company. There was, I didn't know that man was a fire, they broke out of one JPS a Sav, or something that happened, I was reading, to the office in Sablamar. Those in Sav. I don't know if it's fire or something happened that day. They have a look at disaster at the fire there, the office in Sav. And every comment on social media was against JPS. There's not one person, people, these are the things they used to view and watch what's going on in the people. Look at people comment. That's natural polling. Watching comments is natural polling how the people feel about the company. You don't need no polling company to go run a poll to say people hate JPS or not. Just look at any comment section we have to do with JPS and read the comment and see how people viewpoint and JPS. Nobody in Jamaica loves the JPS. Nobody. And the relationship between the JPS and Jamaican people is sour. That have to be fixed. that needs a big people. I don't like me to tell. So now, after we are bars and Jamaica people, they pan lockdown, leave hand to mouth. If they don't go to there, can't get food for today. Place lockdown. Remember this. Work now go on. Dance now go on. Soup man now make no money. People are come out 2 days in a week to go work. On top of that, them have the audacity to give the government, give the JPS the authority to raise JPS bill, the light bill. People at the government, I know nobody else, government authorized, give them the authority to raise the bill. I don't know. People, I'm not saying that things not going up all around the world. No, we have to talk like we have sense now. We can't just want everything and want, act like we're greedy. Now look, we're not saying that the cost to push electricity in our homes is not going to go up. Like the cost of so many other things, we're showing the food. But now is not the right time to raise electricity for the people of Jamaica. People are locked down, people are suffer, people don't get a stimulus check, people are struggle. So, I was wondering, couldn't the government absorb some of the costs, work on something them on JPS to ease off the pressure off of the people, even just for a quick minute, even just for a few months. You know, you understand me? Even for 6 months, could the government absorb some of the costs to hold off the pressure of the Jamaica people with electricity? Like could they have rent moratorium over here, where the government work with the landlord, where the landlord can't kick you out the road because it's COVID that go on, so your landlord, you know, the government work on something so you'll have a roof over your head, even when you don't have no rent. The government try to help people out. So we don't have none of these in Jamaica, you know. We don't, you understand what I say? No stimulus, no help, none at all. So when you don't have none of this, and the JPS is going to raise the rent, I don't care how much you're going to raise it by. I could have grass straw. People are ready to thief electricity. What you expect to happen right now? People are already stealing electricity. JPS having problems. Going around and taking down illegal wires. What you think going to happen right now? This is going to make any man, honest man who never thought of stealing electricity, go thief electricity. People understand me now, man, I real Jamaica talk, you know. When they go and say a lie, me I tell. We said this will make any man where live them honest life and pay them electricity bill. This will make them go steal electricity. And this will make the electricity, the JPS workers, them get more money. Just like the police officers. Whenever the fines go up, police make more money. You have to give police more money to let you go. Wrong or right? You have to give the police more money when the fines go up, right? So when JPS raise the price, when the JPS man come to cut off the illegal light, do we have to give him more, we have to give him something to leave your light alone, right? It's money hustling for everybody. Come on, people. You're in classes, man. I hope you learn something. I'm just telling you guys, this is not cool for the poor people right now because at the worst time to raise the thing, I was just thinking, I was talking to somebody a while ago, I said, could the government absorb some of the cost, like, just to ease up the pressure of the poor since we never get a stimulus check? And when are people get money from the pay electricity? Think about it. How will they get money from the pay electricity? Now, I've seen stories in Jamaica where man thief electricity and I run a swimming pool, jacuzzi. I know, we see it in the news, people, where that man get busted running jacuzzi, swimming pool, AC, wash and dry up and thieving current. No. Imagine you just have one fridge and one TV and two bulbs over your yard. You pay electricity. Imagine this. Listen, imagine this. You next door paying with the one TV, I want to look a standing fan. You don't have no AC and all that. Standing fan, a TV and a fridge and a few bulbs. And you look at your price go up because them claim say they are going to charge paying customers for people who are stealing electricity. And that's enough people. So the people who are paying, the honest people who are paying their bills have to absorb the cost of the man who have illegal, a thief light. I never hear about that yet in my life. So now, my question is, if I'm the honest person living next door, all me have is a TV, a fridge, a standing fan and two bulbs, paying my electricity bill honestly every month at work. When we look my neighbor over there, so my neighbor light all around the place, all type of wattage, bulb. He might run wash and dry, a swimming pool, jacuzzi, and he might thief light. What am I going to do? What do you think I'm going to do now? They raise the current for me again. I say, Lord God, no matter what I do, they still have beat me. See me, they are trying to pay me electricity, and then they might kill me. I'm my next door, I live free. Why does I go like my next door to family? Enough man got thief light. All people never thief light before. Family. Enough man got thief light, hard people who never steal like before. Remember that. So it's hard for the poor. So right now, me not saying, because let me tell you people, we have to talk with sense. We can't just beat everything and burn everything. We have to look on cost, what it costs now for run anything. Everything cost is going up all over the world.
Well, there you have it in our Unstoppable family. Jamaican Carlos gave his opinion on this whole price increase for the JPS. And him talk about a lot of other things too. And I must say, me agree with Carlos. Jamaican people have been getting robbed left, right and center for way too long. When it a go stop? When is it that somebody is going to be in place who is going to stand up for the Jamaican people and not just in there for line them own pocket and grease them own palms? We sick and we tired of it. If you tired of it, let me know down in the comment section. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications and you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.